Hello traders, Joseph here from Trade With Me, and welcome to the weekly outlook on the pound US dollar. Now in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you're going to be able to trade the pound US dollar in the forex market this week. So I'm going to show you guys some in-depth analysis in terms of where I think the market is headed, and I'm also going to give you guys some fundamental news that you might need to pay attention to. So let's head over to the charts. I've got my chart here on the 1 hour time frame, and the first thing I want to point out to you guys is the little consolidation that the market has come into here on the 1 hour time frame. So you can clearly see that the market has been bouncing off between these two levels. So that should tell you straight away where you need to be, or how you need to trade, how you need to approach this market. So what you need to do is either you wait for this market to go all the way back to the top there, and you look for a shorting opportunity back down into this previous level here, or you can wait for this market to retrace back down to the bottom end of the channel, and you're going to look for a long trading opportunity. That's the only way you're going to play this market until it ends up breaking either side of this channel. And in terms of where I think the market is likely going to break out of, I think the clue is always going to be to look at the direction of the market before it comes into this consolidation. So if I zoom in here, we can see that the market has been in an upward channel. So that tells me that eventually this market is going to break out to the upside. But however, if we put this our chart on the 4 hour time frame, we're going to see there's a couple of important levels where the market is likely going to head to. So the first level is right here around 134.80s, where I think if the market ends up breaking out of the little consolidation we have on the hourly time frame, then we can expect the market to go all the way to that level. And we also have another important level that is not too far away from that level, probably about 30 pips above that level. We do have another level here at around 135.14. So if the market does end up breaking out of this channel, then you are going to try and position yourself in a way that you're going to go long, and those are the two key levels that you need to pay attention to at the top end of the channel. So, and in terms of fundamentals I need to pay attention to this week, we've got the PMI numbers that's coming out from the UK. We got PMI numbers on Tuesday, on Thursday, and on Friday as well. And we also have the big and the most important number, which is the non-farm payrolls, which is coming out on Friday. And so this is one of the reasons why I think this trading between these two consolidation is going to be the best thing to do, simply because usually before the NFP numbers come out on Friday, for those of you guys who don't know, the NFP numbers, the non-farm payrolls that comes out from the America, and we all know America is the biggest in terms of having an influence in the direction of the currency markets. They do have the bigger influence. So when the unemployment numbers and the non-farm payrolls come out on Friday, the market usually goes crazy. So, and before then, the market usually tends to be in a kind of consolidation while it waits for those numbers. So that's why I think trading the pound US dollar here between these two channels up onto Friday before those numbers come out, I think the best option to do is to play within this consolidation. I see the market staying in this consolidation until those numbers come out. So I hope you guys have found this video useful. If you do, then leave a like, subscribe, and follow me on TradingView as well, where I'm going to be posting more analysis. So I hope to see you on the next video.